Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Louis, and today will not be the animal crossing. I'm so sorry because I have a lot of things to do. Anyways, you know what's this? It looks familiar. Yes. Yes. Does it look familiar? Yes, it looks very familiar to you. And this made. Yeah, this is new. Maybe you have never seen before. So let's see. So okay, so let me tell you how this works. Okay, so this is like a timer, but it's for Rubik's Cube. So you can see this. Press the on button, press the power button, and then put your both hands there. Yes. After. It's very rough. So after, wait. It's too light. I need something to hold. No. Never mind. So. Oh, okay. So, as I was saying, you can see these two hand stickers. So you have to put on them. Beep, like beep. Then when you take off your hands, it starts. And then after you finish solving this, use your both hands to press the button to stop the timer. So like this. Just like this. So I'm using this, and we'll be doing 10 times of a special way. Look. The right side goes up and the upside goes left. Right side goes down and the upside goes right. Repeat this 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will be back in the same shape again. Okay, so let's do this in 10 times. The timer. So let's go. Okay, number 1. Let's see. Press the button. 3, 2, 1, go. Why am I so stupid? Oh. Haha. This is the worst. And it's the best too. 14.05. Yes. Okay, again. 3, 2. Yes! This time is better. 11.206. Okay, the third one. 3, 2, 1, go. No, faster, Lewis, please, faster, please. Wait, no, yes, 12. Okay, this time it's fine. 12.561. Okay, the fourth one. 3, 2, go. Okay, this time is the worst. 15.324. Now the fifth time. Go. Eh? I forgot to record. That's why I am so stupid. So the fifth time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's the best. 9.972. And if you want to write my records, you can. So I'll give you 30 seconds or 1 minute to take a paper and a pencil. Okay, 1 minute is already passed. So now, yeah, I need to show you. Okay, 9.972 is the best. Okay, so the sixth time. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this is good. 10.814. Now it's the seventh one. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, slower this time. 11.577. 3, 2, 1, go. No. 1, 2, 3. 11.2.8.272. And I forgot to mention is that after you repeat it 5 times, you have to do this repeating 3 times. 3 whole times. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So if I was doing 1 time, I'll be much faster. I'm not that slow actually. So now it's the 9th time. Let's go. Okay. Reset. Put my hands. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Now it's okay. It's fine, I guess. 10.029. The last one. It's here. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm already stuck. No. Okay, it's very slow. Ha. Did. 14 seconds. 14.178 seconds. Okay, this is 10 records. And if you are really paying attention, you may remember that the 5th one is the fastest. 9.972. I don't have much time, so I can only make these videos. But I have a lot of time at weekends. Okay. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like or enjoy this video, you can press like down below. And also, if you hate this video, you can always turn upside down and press that dislike button. If you have anything you want to tell me, you can tell me down in the comments. Comments down below anytime. And if you don't mind, you can consider subscribe or consider subscribing. Never mind. And the subscribe button is very small. Even if you find it, you can always consider to press the button. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. Bye bye.